Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to correctly convert your GGives balance to your CIMB bank account in 2025. Step 1. Open the GCash app and make sure that your GGives installment is active and your account is fully verified. Step 2. Tap GGives from the home dashboard and select the active loan that you want to convert. Step 3. Instead of using GGives directly for purchases, you will need to use it through a workaround. Go to an e-commerce platform like Lazada or Shopee where CIMB Bank is accepted for withdrawals or seller earnings. Step 4. Buy a high-value item using GGives, and then cancel or refund the order through a trusted seller or your own store, spending the refund to your CIMB account. Step 5. Alternatively, you can also buy digital products that credit back to your CIMB linked e-wallet. These steps may vary depending on the merchant rules, so make sure that you follow the platform policies to avoid any violations. Step 6. Once the refund reaches your CIMB bank account, confirm the transfer was successful and clear any pending balances in your GGives account. Now you have successfully routed your GGives to a safe CIMB bank in a trackable way. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.